The caring, empathetic people born on this day project a dreamy, ethereal quality that makes them appear somewhat removed from reality. They inspire a temperament that is receptive and intuitive. You also possess all the attributes of the sharp witted, logical, mentally, typically associated with Gemini natives. As a wonderful communicator, you invariably have a thought to share or a point of view to express. Your rational, scientific side causes you to question everything and then analyze the answers you receive. Your mystical, spiritual side accounts for your deep appreciation of music, art, and the beauties of natural world. June 16th, Gemini natives are extremely curious and willing to experiment outside the norms of the mainstream when it suits their purposes. Well hidden beneath your sociable, friendly personality, there is a rather solitary inner nature that is much given to meditation and private contemplation. Driven by tension and nervous energy, you feel compelled to try to exert mental control over your deepest emotions. Since you believe in the old saw about the grass being greener in other people's yards, you may experience feelings of dissatisfaction with your own efforts and achievements. Your innate mistrust of emotion can make close relations seem problematic. You want to need the space and freedom to pursue your many personal interests, but you also long for the love and security of a long term committed union.